products and want to write on them on your smartboard? No problem. First, we're going to start with our Google Drive. Once there, I can open up anything. If I double click, it will open up the slides presentation. Here it is. Let's suppose I want to point out to the kids what book we're reading. Notice it writes on top of, I can erase, or in the top right-hand corner, you'll also see an X. I can actually save that, discard it, or cancel. I'm going to save. When you click save, it will automatically save a picture I can import later. You notice it also erases. The other thing I can do is go full screen or slideshow. When I click on slideshow, I now can write also. So let's say I want to go to the next slide. You can use 2 fingers, or I tend to tap in the bottom left-hand corner so I can go to the next slide. And notice I can still write when it's in full screen. Need more information how to use this? See your EdTech coach.